Hi guys, welcome back to another YouTube video, and today we are learning about Google My Business. So Google My Business, it's really a great tool to improve local SEO of your website and to get overall good number of leads and sales, whatever business you are doing. Okay, before we jump into the tutorial, please subscribe my channel, like the video and comment so I can create more videos for you guys. So Google My Business is a really great tool which is location dependent. So for example, if you are a carpenter, you're a plumber or electrician, you should definitely have a Google My Business, which will improve your local SEO. So for example, if I search carpenter or electrician near me, it will detect my location and it will show on the top that what are the electricians located near my location. Obviously, Google is detecting your location all the time, whether you're using a browser, whether you're using a mobile device, it's detecting your location and it shows you the Google Map, Google My Business location, which is showing on the top before even the web searches. Now, the question is how you will create the Google My Business account. Let me teach you how. So you need to go to google.com/maps and search for your location, wherever you're located, and pinpoint that location. Click on the right mouse click and click on add a missing place or add your business. So for example, if you're adding it for your client, you can add a missing place, and if you're adding it for yourself, you can click on add your business. For example, now in this example, I'll teach you how you can add it for your client. Now click on add a missing place, and here you can add all the address, all the name, category and contact details. And once you do that, you will click the send button, and once it's submitted, it normally will take 2 to 3 days to approve, and you will get an email on your email address once it is approved. And now you have to you have to contact your client to claim that business, so your client can start collecting reviews. That's how I improve SEO for my clients personally, because most of the clients which I deal with don't have an old website or don't have Google My Business place existed. So that's how I do for my clients, and you have to walk through how they can claim their business. So for example, there must be many businesses who do not have claimed their location. So for example, if I click on this one, let's see if it's claimed or not. Okay, as you can see so Google most of the time automatically creates the Google My Business. So when you have location enabled on your mobile and you visit some place, it will automatically ask questions through your mobile device, that whether you visit that place or what kind of place is that. You will automatically get the question and answers, and that's how Google automatically creates those listings. And once those listings are created, you can click on own this business, or sometime it will show you claim this business. And once you have proven to be the owner of this business, you will see the screen like this, which I have in Google My Business. And from that, you can collect reviews from your client by clicking on share review form here. So that's the URL which you will be sharing with your clients if you want to collect reviews from your business. So when I open it in the new window, let's see how it looks. So I have opened an incognito window. I'm not logged in. When I log in, it will show me the review form, and let me show you how it looks like. Let me log into one of my email address. Here's how you will see the review form looks. That's how the review form will look like. You can send this URL to your clients and collect reviews, and the more reviews you will collect, the more enhanced your Google My Business listing will be, and the more on top of the Google Maps you will show up. There's another method you can collect reviews, because when you ask someone to add a review on your Google My Business, obviously they will not bother to search you and then add a Google review for you. So what you can do is create a short URL for them, and you can just send them via message or email. But as you don't have access to Google My Business for your client, you can also generate a URL directly from Google. So for example, when you click on write a review here from any of the business, you will see a form. So when I click that, here's the URL, which you can then shorten it and send it to your client and ask them to collect more reviews from their client. I know you guys might be thinking that it's really huge URL. It will look weird when you will send it via message. So what you can do is shorten this URL by available shorten URLs, which is like free to use, and you can use any one of them. I personally use bitly.com. So it's a free tool to shorten the URL. And here you can add your long URL and convert it into short URL. So for example, this is my business URL for adding a review. I'll just copy it and I'll paste it here and click on shorten. And here you have the small URL which you can copy it and send it via email on WhatsApp. And whenever someone click on this URL, they will directly land on this review form, and they can easily add the ratings and review. They don't need to search your business and then click on write a review button to add review for your business. So that's pretty much it for the video for today. I hope you guys liked the video. Please like the video, comment, and share with your friends and family. Have a great day.